awesome besties! Today we are taking a look at Barbie Cutie Reveal. There's a kitten, a puppy, a panda, and a bunny. If this is the next evolution of Barbie Color Reveal, I'm here for it. I bought these at Walmart for $24.97 each. Say what? Yeah, I do think that is a little steep. At $19.99, I don't think I would have complained. But you know, inflation. Like Barbie Color Reveal, they come in a tube, only this time we can see which doll we're getting. Which I think is awesome. You can see exactly which doll you want without having to figure out codes or risk getting doubles. Looking at the box, it says there's a posable doll inside. At the top, it says, "Try me." There's a little cutout where you can touch the fabric. There are 10 surprises inside, pet inside. On the side of the tube, it lists all the prizes, including some color changing elements. This is series 1, but why is it a surprise if we can already see what we're getting? Remove the top and reveal the doll, along with little wrapped packages on the inside. And check that out, the tube is made of cardboard. There's a collector's guide with some instructions on the back. This is stinking adorable! Imagine this, the Masked Singer Doll Edition. They come dressed in a baggy little animal suit with little paw gloves and paw shoes that allow me to balance the doll to stand. Check out these moves. And after an amazing performance on the Masked Doll Singer, it's time for the reveal. Here we go. Whoa, that's a lot of hair, but there she is. Her hair is all twisted, so we're gonna just unwrap that and hope it lays down. The hair is brown and pink and crimped. It is pretty long. The head does a pretty good job of holding its shape. On the inside, it is lined, but you can feel the other side of the eyes and the nose. So you do want to be careful not to like squish it on your doll's face because it might leave a mark. The doll has pink lipstick with a painted sparkle and shine. Her eyes are kind of hazel, and you can make out where her little whiskers are. Let's remove the gloves, the reversible jacket. Oh, she has a little sculpted inset top there. The design is pretty cute, and I would have loved if this was a removable fabric item. But I'm loving this whole look. It looks like pajamas, like you're just chilling in the house wearing some comfy pants and house shoes. I love that these giant paws make the doll stand. I think this is gonna be like my new way of hiding my doll stands. She has sculpted inset undies to match. We can flip the jacket inside out for a new look. Loving that. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. Let's see what's in the bags. Let's open them up. And we have shoes and a headband. We have some little high top shoes here, but the question is, can the doll stand? The headband is cute, and we can totally use it around Halloween. And here we have, it's a little orange cat, and the head can turn. That's pretty cool. This feels like a comb. Yup. It's a heart-shaped comb with a sponge on the other side. Use a little ice water to reveal the design on the doll. She has whiskers and a little pink nose. And the cat's eyes go from closed to opened. And we can use a little warm water or even the warmth from your hand to change it back. In our last bag, we have a skirt. It's a gold shiny skirt to complete her look. Wait a minute. Better. I'm telling you, I love the shoes. 1 doll down, 3 to go. Aw, look at the little puppy. Now that we know what to expect, this will be a piece of cake. Let's open the little bags. In our first one, we have a skirt. It's a silver skirt, and it looks like it has like layers. Then this is the pet. It's a little puppy. Oh, one of its eyes are already open. Better. This feels like the comb. Yup. And this must have the shoes. There's the headband. And here are the boots. We have purple boots to go with our silver colored headband. The little puppy costume is gray and white with white paws and gray paws. Here's the reveal. Is that the same face sculpt? Her hair is lavender and it has a little wave. Let's check out that makeup reveal. She has a nose and painted purple freckles. Aw, I would have loved freckles on the cat as well. I mean, I know a cat is supposed to have whiskers, but I can see them when I don't want them there, and freckles would have been perfect either way. She has lavender undergarments and a purple heart jacket. When can we get these undies in fabric, Barbie? You know what? I'm totally gonna rock the jacket like this. Because why not? Panda, you're up next. Whoa, those eyes are staring into my soul. Just joking. Actually, I think the panda is pretty cute. She comes with black gloves, black shoes, and surprises. First up, we have shoes and a headband. Super red sneakers. I can barely see them. It's almost like they're glowing. A black headband with bear ears. This must be the little pet. A little panda with its eyes closed. And here it is after a little icy water. This must be the comb. Yep. And here is the skirt. Sporty. I like that. The stripes are sewn on ribbon. And here is the grand reveal. I guess it's cold in here because you can already see her nose. Let's use a little warmth to get rid of it. She has red undergarments. Aw, see it with the skirt? That would have been so cute if everything was made of fabric. I love this. Her reversible jacket goes from black to polka dot. Last but not least, here is the bunny. In all pink from head to toe. Let's go ahead and open these. Here is the pink bunny. Eyes open, eyes closed. Here are the shoes and the headband. The headband has one ear up and one ear down. This is the comb and this is the skirt. It's just like the gold one, only silver. Here's the reveal. The hair is all twisted up, so let's take it down, comb it out. This doll has blonde hair with multicolored streaks. There's something kind of glam about her makeup. I do like it, and the little shine on her lip is 2 hearts. So they're all different. The cat has a 6-point star, the panda has a 4-point, and the dog has a 5-point star. And they match the shine on the little animal heads. The dolls have them in their eyes too. Okay, I'm getting way too fascinated with the little shines. Moving on. Her undergarments are a light turquoise color. When we flip the jacket, it's very colorful with rainbows. That's kind of cute. But this is my preferred look. I like these little fuzzy suits so much. Let's see if we can make one of our own. I'm using our sweatsuit pattern. I have one page for pants and another for a hoodie. However, we're just gonna leave off the hoodie and the front pocket. We will also be using a fuzzy fabric. This is an old mermaid tail that I cut up, elastic, and a needle and thread or a sewing machine. Place the pants pattern onto the fabric. Use pins to hold it in place. When I cut it out, I added a little extra to the bottom and about 1/8 of an inch to the top. Because we're not going to add a cuff to the bottom of the pants, we're just going to fold it over and use elastic. Cut 2 in a mirror image. Lay them so the good side is on the inside. I want mine to be this solid lavender once finished. When you're looking at the top of the pants, one has a really soft curve and one has a sharper J shape. Sew along the soft curve using a needle and thread or a sewing machine, connecting the 2 pieces. Let's go to the bottom, flip it over so the good side is facing down, fold over the bottom edge, and sew a straight line, creating a casing for the elastic. Do the same thing to the top, only this time I'm placing the elastic in the fold so it's already in there and I'm going to sew it down. I use pins to hold the elastic at the top so I don't hit it while sewing. Once sewn, we can pull the elastic to gather it, then fold it in half, lining up the curves and sew along the curve, making sure to sew the ends of the elastic so it's secure. Now we're going to take the ends and pull them in the opposite direction. Line up the center seam, feed the elastic through the bottom casing, pull the elastic slightly together, and then sew a straight line. Flip it inside out. Starting on the top, we have 2 sleeves, the back, which is just 2 pieces, and the front. But since we're making a jacket, we're gonna flip it around, and the front will be the back, and the back will be the front. Let's lay out the pieces. So here are the front pieces, here are the sleeves, and then this is the back. Take the front piece, place it on top of the sleeve, and sew a straight line. Repeat for the other side, then take the back and line it up with the other side of the sleeve and sew that in place, connecting them, and then we're gonna do the other side. All right, now let's fold over and hem the cuffs, then hem the neckline. I just kind of make it go flat and then fold it under. I use pins to secure it, then sew it down using a straight stitch. Fold over the front and sew a straight line, then fold it in half, lining up the edges and the bottom of the sleeves and sew a straight line. When flipped inside out, it totally looks like a jacket now. All we have left to do is fold over and hem the bottom, giving us a little fuzzy suit. And I'm going to pair it with the undergarments we made in our Barbie Fashion and Accessories Mega Haul for Puma, Babies, Ken, and more, where we go into detail on how to make these undergarments as well as provide a free pattern to make a cozy, comfy look. And if we wanted to, we can fold over the bottom and add some elastic. I'm using a cord elastic and I looped the end back in on itself so it'll come out a little bit like that, giving us a little puff to the bottom of the jacket. And now it looks like they're all going to a cute little pajama party. And we can follow our DIY how to make giant panda head video to make our doll a cute little animal head of their own. Flip the jacket around, and you can always add Velcro if you like to add to the cutie collection. Don't ask what kind of animal this is. I just made something. It's like a cross between a hamster, a bear, and a mouse. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie Cutie Reveal. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!